Thailand payment revolution in 2026. The secret tourists miss. So hey guys, the cash trap why most tourists overpay. ATM fees 220 to 350 THB per withdrawal plus hidden exchange markups on every transaction. Prompt pay lock. Thailand national QR system was previously accessible only with a local Thai bank account. Credit card DCC dynamic currency conversion silent adds 3 to 5% in extra cost at point of sale. The 2026 shift was enters the prompt pay network, full prompt pay integration was integrated full prompt pay scan and pay functionalities, allowing users to scan merchant QR codes directly from the Wise app. No Thai bank account needed. Mid-market rates bypass expensive bank network currency margins entirely. Instant payment works at street markets, cafes, and shop nationwide. So how to pay like a local today? Instant-wise, verify password and top up THB balance. Scan prompt pay. Use QR codes at markets, cafes, and shops. Carry cash backup. Keep 1,000 to 2,000 THB for remote vendors. The ultimate travel hack. Efficiency and saving. 5% save per transaction compared to standard card terminals using DCC. 2K THB cash reserve. Keep small bills for remote vendors. QR for everything else. Thai bank account need Wise plus prompt pay work with just your passport. Pro tip: start your Wise verification before you fly. Your account will be ready to scan on day one. And a quick tip for you guys before I go. Another quick tip for you guys: you can also use driver's license or your national ID for your Wise account. But yeah, there it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, type it down in the comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.